continues its relentless rampage across the Philippines, maintaining its formidable strength and leaving destruction in its wake. With maximum sustained winds of 195 km per hour and gusts peaking at 240 km per hour. One of the most powerful storms to strike the nation this year, as the sixth tropical storm to hit the Philippines within a month. Its impact underscores a disturbing trend of intensified weather activity linked to climate change. Sunday, November 17, Pepito unleashed its fury upon Aurora Province and northern Quezon, toppling trees, severing power lines, and tearing corrugated iron roofs from homes. These areas, accustomed to typhoons, were unprepared for the storm's unprecedented intensity. Video footage from affected areas revealed streets littered with debris, mangled power lines, and families scrambling to salvage what they could from their homes. Tourism, a significant source of livelihood in Aurora, came to a standstill. Surfing sites, once bustling with visitors, were closed indefinitely as tourist police patrolled the coastlines to enforce safety protocols. Are bracing for economic setbacks as recovery efforts begin. The eastern seaboard of Albay witnessed a powerful storm surge that inundated multiple coastal barangays, submerging homes and forcing evacuations. Despite the heavy flooding, electricity and mobile phone signals remarkably remained functional in some regions, enabling local authorities to coordinate rescue and relief operations effectively. Storm surges along the coastline reached an alarming height of 2 to 3 meters, prompting the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration to issue stern warnings. Residents in low-lying and flood-prone areas were urged to evacuate immediately to higher ground. In Pepito's path acted swiftly to minimize casualties. Disaster risk reduction teams mobilized to evacuate vulnerable communities, with a particular focus on areas prone to landslides and flooding. Evacuation centers, stocked with relief goods, became a temporary refuge for displaced families. closures due to fallen trees and debris hindered rescue operations. Emergency crews worked tirelessly to clear critical routes and restore access to isolated barangays. With strong winds and torrential rain continuing to batter the region, relief efforts faced significant challenges. The frequency and ferocity of typhoons hitting the Philippines in 2024 have left climate scientists alarmed. While the archipelago typically faces about 20 typhoons annually, the clustering of such severe storms within a short time frame is highly unusual. Experts attribute this phenomenon to the global effects of climate change. Warmer ocean temperatures are fueling stronger and more destructive typhoons, amplifying their potential to cause catastrophic damage. In addition to the physical destruction, communities are grappling with longer-term consequences, including displacement, loss of livelihoods, and increased vulnerability to future storms. Super Typhoon Pepito is expected to cross north of Manila before heading into the South China Sea by Monday. However, its passage has already left a profound impact on the nation. Coastal communities remain on high alert for further flooding, while urban centers brace for potential power outages and infrastructural damage.